Many investors worldwide are systematically sold false information that guides their decision-making process. This standard wisdom is often designed to keep you in the dark. If you don't know what you are doing, it can and likely will cost you. The largest financial institutions are set up to make a profit for themselves, not their clients. Don't get in the game unless you know the rules. 'Cause you will find yourself giving your fortune away to someone who hasn't earned it. Investors may think they are paying fees for high-quality, unbiased advice. Instead, they are all too often paying for the privilege of being offered a small sample of suitable investment products and services that are in constant conflict with improving the firm's bottom line. Welcome to Ariel Capital. We are extremely excited to provide you with the most efficient tools and top-quality information that will allow you to elevate your investments to a whole new level. It is our passion to help you reach your financial goals. In this video, we examine the mistakes of the majority investors on the financial markets and provide an alternative approach that avoids them. We have broken down the strategy into 7 steps that will enable you to set a system which generate an income for you flawlessly, without any emotional attachment at all, and feel satisfied like this guy. How many traders you know who consistently make profits for weeks or months, then suddenly lose all that money in one bad trade? In such situations, here are some flaws they often keep making. 1. They do not manage risk. 2. They do not develop a trading plan. 3. Unrealistic expectations on returns. 4. Competing with others. Instead of trying to have an edge, learn how to take the long view. It's a way to not put all your eggs in one basket, and a way to cover any loss. It's a great system to protect yourself against every downside, since smart investors know they are bound to be wrong at some point. From Buffett to Branson, they all look for asymmetric risk-reward. Step 1. Open your browser, search FX Blue, click the first link on top which leads to fxblue.com. New users will be required to sign up, which is completely free. After signing up, just scroll down on the home page, select Personal Trade Copier for MT4, then click Download. The platform allows you to copy trades from a losing expert advisor, and be able to flip them around, so the losing advisor can be installed on demo while the winning trades can run on real account. Step 2. Download 4 different MT4 platforms. You can simply search for any broker name on Google, then visit their homepage. You will be able to download their MT4 platform. As you can see, we already have 4 different platforms. Log into your accounts. First 2 platforms must be demo accounts with 5,000 South African rands balance. The other 2 must be real account with at least 20,000 South African rands. If you do not have this amount, try using US Cent account. It is available on many brokers. Step 3. Now we are going to install the Signal Pro EA, and the personal trade copier you downloaded on Step 1. You can find the Signal Pro EA on our Telegram channel, or you can simply DM us on IG. Links are available on descriptions below. You must install the Signal Pro EA on the 2 demo MT4 platforms. Open the MT4, click File, on top left corner. Go to Open Data folder. A new page will pop up automatically. Go to MQL4, then Experts. On Experts is where you will paste your Signal Pro EA. I already have it, so no need for me to paste it. When you're done, you will be required to close and restart your MT4s. For Personal Trade Copier, you will just click the setup you downloaded on Step 1. A new screen will pop up, which requires you to select on which MetaTrader you want to install the Trade Copier. Just select All, then Install. Make sure all MT4s are closed before you install Personal Trade Copier, or installation won't succeed. Step 4. Make sure you apply the settings on the same 2 demo MT4s you installed the Signal Pro EA on. Let's begin on the first MT4. Open 2 chart windows. Drag FX Blue Trade Copy Sender to the chart. Under Channel, erase it and give it a name you prefer. then change broadcast all orders at market to true. Chart will turn blue, your channel name will show, and heartbeat will show the date and time of that trading day. Drag Signal Pro EA to the second chart, time frame 15 minutes, set positions to only long, and make sure you allow DDL imports and everything carefully. Lot size 0.01, take profit 500.0, stop loss 0.0, pip step 220.0, max trade 1,500,000. You can use any big number, lock profit and trailing stop both set 0.0. Quickly go to the second MT4, drag FX Blue, trade copy sender to the chart, set a different channel name from the first one, then change broadcast all orders at market to true. Your channel name will show and heartbeat will show the date and time of that particular trading day. Drag Signal Pro EA to the second chart, time frame 15 minutes, this time you will set positions to only long, make sure you allow DLL imports and everything. Lot size 0.01, take profit 500.0, stop loss 0.0, pip step 220.0, max trade 1,500,000. You can use any big number, lock profit and trailing stop both set 0.0. You're done setting up the senders. Step 5. Now open the other two MT4s. Make sure auto trading is on. Drag the FX Blue trade copy receiver into any chart. Set channel name exactly the same as the one for sender 1. Set invert trades to true. Set use instant execution to true. Trade all orders at market to true. A blue screen will pop up stating that you are connected to sender 1 channel name. On the last MT4, drag the FX Blue trade copy receiver into any chart. Copy the exact channel name you used on sender 2. Set invert trades to true. Set use instant execution to true. Trade all orders at market to true. A blue screen will pop up stating that you are connected to sender 2 channel name. Step 6. You can use Strategy Tester to backtest the Signal Pro EA. Use 15 minutes timeframe. Since the settings provided on this video only works on NASDAQ, 15 minutes timeframe. We backtested from the 1st of September to 27. First backtest was for short trades only with 5,000 South African rands balance. You can set that by going to testing and set short only. Add ZAR on balance currency. As you can see, account got blown on the first day, which means on receiver 1 we made a total profit of 5,000 South African rands on the first day, since we would be trading against this EA. And even if we were hedging on the losing account, we wouldn't have reached 1.5k loss, since we have a tight stop on losses and no limit on wins. So we minus 1.5k from 5k, which is 3.5k profit. You can backtest yourself. Now we are going to backtest for long trades only. Same date, same settings, just long trades. So on the buy side we had a total drawdown of 11k. Before we made the profit of 5k, since account got blown around the 9th of September, but on the other side we would have made more, by scaling and winning trades while taking small losses on this one. So it's up to you to close when one account makes more than what you are losing on the other, or wait for each to make profit. Step 7. Basically here you will need 4 accounts, 2 demo accounts each with 5K balance. We call them senders, senders 1 and sender 2 since they will be sending trades to the receivers. Receivers will be the other 2 accounts. They must be real accounts. Balance must be 20K and above to survive any drawdowns. FX Blue Personal Trade Copier will enable us to take the trades sent by Signal Pro EA on opposite direction, with a tight stop loss on losing trades, and scale in on winning trades automatically. On top of that we will be hedging the market, so we don't care if it is bullish or bearish, any trending movement we making more on winning trades than the losing ones. The Signal Pro EA is a martingale, so it is guaranteed that if we are trading against it we will win in the long run, cause martingale doesn't beat the market in the long term. Final step, avoid bad internet connection. Avoid trading during big news event. Avoid brokers that charge a lot of unnecessary fees. Don't ignore your screens for hours. It's your duty to check if your MT4s are still connected, and taking trades accordingly now and then. Don't try this strategy if you don't have enough funds, cause most of the time one account will take small losses in a row before one big win. Remember, the settings on this video only works on NASDAQ. We also have different settings for currencies and metals. Contact us for more, or if you encounter any problems. The next strategy, which is risk-free, will be dropping anytime soon. Stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you for your time.